We are living through the most significant shift in the history of entrepreneurship. For the first time in human history, the tools that were previously available only to large companies with significant budgets, professional video production, copywriting teams, customer service departments, marketing agencies, data analysis, are now available to a single person sitting at a laptop with an internet connection and a modest monthly subscription. Artificial intelligence has not just changed how businesses operate. It has fundamentally changed who gets to start one. Today, we are breaking down 5 businesses you can realistically start with AI in 2026. What each one involves, how much it costs to start, how much it can earn, and exactly what you need to do to get going. And I am not just going to give you theory. 2 of these businesses I have run myself, and I am going to tell you exactly what that experience looked like. Business number 1, AI Content Creation Agency. Let me start with the one I know most personally. About 5 years ago, I was writing content for clients on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr using AI as my core production tool. Blog posts, website copy, product descriptions, social media content, email newsletters. I built a significant income doing it, and I want to be direct with you. It was genuinely one of the most accessible and profitable things I have ever done online. And here's what matters most. The demand has not gone away. If anything, it has grown. Every business in the world needs content. The demand is enormous and growing. The supply of affordable, high-quality content has historically been limited by the time and cost of human writers. AI has changed that equation permanently. And 5 years later, the opportunity is bigger than it was when I started. An AI content creation agency uses tools like Claude ChatGPT and Gemini to produce written content at scale, then applies human editing, brand voice alignment, and strategic thinking to deliver a polished professional product to business clients. The key insight that made this work for me and still makes it work today is that AI alone produces generic content. AI combined with a skilled human who understands brand, audience, and strategy produces content that businesses actually want to pay for. That human layer is what you are selling, and it is what justifies professional rates. Starting this business requires almost no upfront investment. A laptop, a subscription to 1 or 2 AI writing tools costing between $20 and $100 per month, and a basic portfolio of sample work. Your first clients will most likely come from Upwork and Fiverr, exactly as mine did. Platforms where thousands of businesses are actively searching for content help right now. The barrier to entry is low, but the earning potential scales quickly as your reputation and client base grow. Pricing for content creation services typically ranges from $300 to $2,000 per month per client, depending on volume and complexity. A solo operator working efficiently with AI tools can realistically manage 5 to 10 clients simultaneously, representing a monthly revenue of $1,500 to $20,000 from a business that requires nothing more than a laptop and a few software subscriptions. The differentiator in this market is not the AI itself. Everyone has access to the same tools. The differentiator is your understanding of the client's industry, their audience, their competitors, and their goals. The more specific your niche, the more you can charge. A content agency that specializes in financial services or healthcare or technology startups commands significantly higher rates than a generalist who writes anything for anyone. Business number 2, AI automation services. Every business in the world has repetitive manual processes that consume hours of human time every week. Responding to customer inquiries, processing incoming data, generating reports, sending follow-up emails, scheduling appointments, updating spreadsheets. These tasks are not complex. They are simply time-consuming, and AI automation can eliminate most of them entirely. An AI automation services business helps other businesses identify their most time-consuming repetitive tasks and builds automated systems that handle those tasks without human intervention. Using tools like Zapier Make and N8N combined with AI language models, you can build workflows that would have required a dedicated software developer just 3 years ago, with no coding required. The business model is straightforward. You charge clients a setup fee to build their automation system, typically between $500 and $5,000, depending on complexity. and then a monthly retainer to maintain and optimize the system, typically between $200 and $1,000 per month. A single client whose business saves 10 hours of staff time per week is getting extraordinary value from a $500 monthly retainer. The ROI for your client is obvious. The income for you is recurring and predictable. Starting this business requires learning the core automation platforms. Zapier and Make have extensive free tutorials, and most can be learned to a functional level within 2 to 4 weeks of focused study. Your first project should be automating something in your own life or business to build your portfolio and demonstrate your capability to potential clients. The most valuable skill in this business is not technical knowledge. It is the ability to identify which processes are worth automating and communicate the financial value of doing so. Business owners respond to numbers. If you can demonstrate that your automation saves them $3,000 per month in staff time, a $500 monthly retainer is an obvious investment. Business number 3, AI-powered e-commerce. This is the second business I have run personally, and I want to share specifically what my experience looked like because it changed how I think about e-commerce entirely. I use a tool called Axio to run a significant portion of my e-commerce operation, and it is genuinely one of the best AI-powered tools I've come across in this space. What Axio does is handle what used to be the most time-consuming parts of running an e-commerce business. It generates product ideas based on market demand, connects you directly with manufacturers, pulls product descriptions from the manufacturer's page to your store automatically, and suggests pricing based on market data. What used to take days of research and manual work happens in a fraction of the time. It is as close to full e-commerce automation as anything I have used. Before tools like Axio existed, running an e-commerce business required significant time investment in product research, supplier sourcing, listing creation, and pricing analysis. Now a single person can manage what would previously have required a team, and the quality of the decisions being made is actually better because the data is richer and the analysis is faster. The most accessible entry point for someone starting from scratch is print on demand, combined with AI-generated designs and AI-written product listings, using platforms like Printful or Printify to handle production and fulfillment with zero inventory risk. But for anyone serious about building a real e-commerce business with meaningful revenue, Axio and tools like it represent a genuine competitive advantage that did not exist even 2 years ago. Revenue potential in AI-powered e-commerce varies enormously based on niche selection, marketing investment, and platform choice. A well-optimized store targeting a specific passionate community can generate $2,000 to $10,000 per month in profit with relatively modest ongoing time investment once the initial setup is complete. The ceiling is significantly higher for operators willing to invest in paid advertising and product expansion. Business number 4, AI tutoring and coaching knowledge has always been valuable, but the ability to package, deliver, and scale knowledge has historically been constrained by human time. You can only have so many coaching calls. You can only teach so many students. AI removes those constraints in ways that are transforming the education and coaching industry right now. An AI tutoring or coaching business uses AI tools to create and deliver educational content at scale. Online courses, personalized study plans, interactive learning tools, coaching frameworks, and feedback systems that would previously have required a team of educators and developers to produce. A single subject matter expert can now build a comprehensive learning platform with AI assistance in weeks rather than years. The most accessible version of this business starts with identifying a skill or knowledge area you genuinely understand and building an AI-assisted online course around it. Platforms like Teachable Kajabi and Thinkific handle the delivery infrastructure. AI handles the content creation assistance, student question responses, and marketing copy. Your expertise is the irreplaceable ingredient that AI cannot provide. More sophisticated operators are building AI-powered coaching tools, chatbots trained on their specific methodology that provide personalized guidance to clients between live sessions, dramatically increasing the value delivered per client without proportionally increasing the time required. Pricing for online courses ranges from $97 to $997 per enrollment. Coaching programs range from $500 to $10,000 per client, depending on depth and duration. The scalability of digital products means that the revenue ceiling is determined almost entirely by your marketing reach rather than your available hours, a constraint that AI content creation tools address directly. Business number 5, AI video production. Video is the most consumed content format on the internet, and its dominance is accelerating. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, every platform is prioritizing video. Every business needs it. And the traditional cost and complexity of professional video production has kept most small businesses and creators from accessing it consistently. AI has changed this completely. Text-to-video tools, AI voiceover platforms, AI image generators, automated editing tools, and AI scriptwriting assistants mean that a single person can now produce a volume and quality of video content that would have required a production team just 2 years ago. An AI video production business serves clients who need regular video content, explainer videos, social media content, YouTube videos, training materials, promotional videos, and produces it using AI tools at a fraction of the cost of traditional production while still charging professional rates for the strategy, direction, and quality control that AI cannot provide alone. Tools like 11 Labs Runway Adobe Premiere Pro and Claude for scriptwriting form the core production stack. A solo operator who masters these tools can produce a finished professional video in 2 to 4 hours that would have taken a traditional production team 2 to 3 days. Pricing for video production services ranges from $500 to $5,000 per video, depending on length, complexity, and client size. A business producing 4 videos per month for 3 clients at an average of $1,500 per video generates $18,000 in monthly revenue. The overhead is minimal. Software subscriptions totaling $200 to $500 per month, and the equipment you likely already own. The most important thing to understand about all 5 of these businesses is that AI is the tool, not the business itself. The business is your ability to identify a problem, understand a client's needs, apply the right tools strategically, and deliver a result that creates real value. Every person watching this has access to the same AI tools. The ones who build successful businesses are the ones who combine those tools with genuine understanding of their market and relentless focus on delivering outcomes that clients will pay for. I have done this personally with content creation and e-commerce, and the common thread across both was simple. Find where the demand already exists, apply AI to reduce the time and cost of meeting that demand, and charge for the outcome, not the tool. That formula works in 2026 exactly as it worked 5 years ago. The tools are just dramatically more powerful now. Pick one. Start this week. The window to build an AI-powered business before the market becomes saturated is still open, but it is closing faster than most people realize. If this video helped you see the opportunity that AI is creating, hit that like button. It helps Kraftwise reach more people who are ready to build something real. Subscribe for a new money and business video every single week and start building the future you deserve.